can replace the driver's side headlight fairly easily. You just kind of wiggle in there and pull off that cover, and you're kind of all set. You twist it out, put it back in. Now, of course, on this side, you got some trouble. So let's make sure. So one of the methods is to get in there, pull the cowl off, pull one part of the air intake off, and then take the headlight housing all the way out so you can reach back in and get there and then replace the housing. The thing is, there's a couple of adjustments in there, and possibly throw your headlight off a little bit. The other thing that you can do, which is going to be in this video, is just to take the 6 bolts off the top of the air, take off the intake, simple bolt. Take off the 6 bolts that hold the air filter cover on, and you can reach in, you can pop the 3 clips or so that hold the bottom part of the air housing on, and this whole area is open. And that's how we put the new bulb in. Just try to get that pin out a little bit. Leave it underneath there. Pop it out. That's it. So the screws are out. It just pops out of there. Pops it off. That's what you got. We've got our 6 screws that are holding on the top half of the intake manifold. And there's 2 down back there, which are not well lit, but trust me, there's 6. Just stay inside the top half of the housing. Once the T25 Torx has been used on all 6 screws, this part of the housing pops right out of the way. Just pull up on this clip right here. Just pull this one up, and the 2 bottom clips pull right out again. Now all we're doing is removing the rubber cover. We've got our replacement bulb. Out. That's it. Ooh. He's all broken. You can see this one, that's how it came out of the headlight. It's definitely broke. I'm guessing somebody probably handled it with without gloves on, got a little oil on there, and that's probably what happened. Anyway, so just be careful, don't handle it with bare hands. Alright, rubber cover right down. Took a bit to click them back in. This guy right back on. Nice and snug. Alright, both headlights working just fine. So, the reinstallation is just the opposite of removal. Inspect our air cleaner, pretty good. Kind of pops back in where it went. Bottom half of the housing is seated properly. You just line the screws up. Sits right back. Down to the last couple of bolts, tightening them up. part of the intake just clips back in and line it up. 2 side tabs. Make sure we got both in there. There we go. So we attach our 2 torque screws to the front part of the manifold. Then we've got screw A, screw B. The cowl is back on. As the cowl's got a number of forward clips. They just snap into the front part here, and then obviously 4 holes. The parts go much to lining it up early. You get some of these pins. It just works like a kind of like a drywall anchor expansion sort of piece. There's 4 of those in the front. Trying to go easy on them. You can get replacements, but you know that costs money. So you can be careful and not break any of the pin tips off. You try to bend them back in a little bit so you can reuse them all. Boom, there it is.